Though the names of Congress candidates are finalized but not announced, Goa 365 is in possession of the all-important list. In what can be seen as a major political development in the Santa Cruz constituency, four-time MLA Victoria Fernandez will be shown the door for assembly elections. Congress Central Election Committee, who met on Tuesday, decided to give the Santa Cruz ticket to Education Minister and present Talegaon MLA Atanasio alias Babush Montserrat for the March 3rd assembly polls.
According to reliable sources, Santa Cruz lone woman legislator Victoria Fernandez has not been successful this time to convince the members of the Congress Central Election Committee of retaining the party ticket, resulting in it being given to Babush Montserrat, while the Talegaon ticket would go to Babush's wife Jennifer.
No, I am in fact waiting for the final approval from the Congress High Command. So once that approval comes, I am already there. I always said I am there in Santa Cruz. So once the approval comes, that will be double confirmed. It is for people to see what I have done in my constituency for 10 years, and it is ultimately for people to decide. However much you may push, important it is you must convince the voter.
Babush also hoped that once the name of the Santa Cruz candidate was finalized, all Congress members from the Santa Cruz constituency would together come on board ahead of the decisive polls.
Now, see, important thing is for the Congress party to decide on who the candidate is. Once the Congress party decides who the candidate, I think everyone should come aboard. I think I wish it happens that way. If I get a Congress ticket, my olive branch is already there to welcome.
According to reports with Goa 365, Congress has decided to give the Binauli constituency ticket to Valanka Alemao, Fatorda seat to Vijay Sardesai, and have also rewarded to former BJP legislators Rajesh Patnekar and Dayanand Sopte by giving them a party ticket in Bicholi and Mandre respectively. Kortali, which was seen as a bone of contention between the Congress and NCP, has been decided that it would be retained by the Congress. The Congress Central Election Committee on Tuesday held its all-important round of meetings in New Delhi to finalize candidates for the March 3rd assembly polls, which was chaired by the All India Congress Committee President Sonia Gandhi, who went into the details of the short-listed candidates from all 40 constituencies, which were selected by Congress Screening Committee Chairman by Union Minister Oscar Fernandez. The list of probable candidates for the upcoming assembly elections are Santa Cruz Atanasio Montserrat, Talegaon Jennifer Montserrat, Panjim Yatin Parekh, Sant Andre Francis Silveira, Aldona Dayanand Narvekar, Kalangut Agnello Fernandez, Kumbarja Pandurang Matkaikar, Perne Manohar Gankar, Sankeli Pratap Gauns, Porye Pratap Singh Rane, Valpoi Vishwajit Rane, Kunkoli Joachim Alemao, Kurturi Alexo Reginaldo Lorenzo, Navali Churchill Alemao, Nuve Alexio Sequeira, Margaon Digambar Kamath, Ponda Ravi Naik, Kepe Chandrakant Kavlekar, Shiroda Subhash Shirodkar, Veli Philip Neri. The Congress party seems to have also decided not to announce the names of the candidates publicly until and unless issue of alliances is resolved, as the party is not only looking to have an alliance with the NCP party but also wants an understanding with the MGP too, though the latter is already on the verge of forming an alliance with the BJP.